One great thing about Pocket Office is that you can make your own appointments, not just online appointment making that your clients can do, but now we're going to go through how you can actually book an appointment yourself on your own calendar through Pocket Office. Simply go across here to the calendar icon on the left-hand menu, click on through there and you're into your own calendar. My calendar's a bit bare at the moment. So the nice thing is I actually have a customer and I'm going to schedule a new appointment. So once you click on that, it brings up all of my existing customers here, and you know what? I'm going to make an appointment with Fred Duck. And this brings up the appointment making window, and here I can actually pick through all of the different services. I've only got a first call service in there that I can choose from. You can pick the start and end times. You can even click whether this is going to be an appointment which happens regularly through the repeats function there. And what I might do is I might give Fred a nice personalised message from me, just to make sure that we maintain that customer service. What I'm going to do is I'm going to request that Fred confirms the appointment, because that way I make sure that if he doesn't want to come and join me, I can book out that appointment with somebody else. Down here you've got the details of how Fred will be contacted, and of course the different types of notifications that will be sent out to him. So he's going to get no text message. He's going to get a first reminder 1 hour before the appointment. I've disabled the second reminder here, and if there's a follow-up reminder in case I feel like he's coming late, I can do that manually inside Pocket Office. I'm going to click on send. And what that does is, it's sent across my first appointment to my first client. The nice thing about this is that Fred has got a chance to confirm the appointment to make sure that I'm going to have no no-shows. And that's how easy it is to start an appointment in Pocket Office.